Start. Good. Okay, so we're at the photocopier in DT2, and what we're going to do is we're going to print the image onto a piece of transparency. So first of all, what we need to do is get an appropriate card. We send it from Oscar's account. Oscar, what have you done? Right, we send it from Oscar's account, so he's logging in. Please, Oscar. So in we go. This is really important, guys, really important. If we go to Secure Print, we can see that we have a series of Circuit Wizard files that have been sent through. The first one I sent through, which went through as a piece of paper, because you remember I forgot to say a few things, so I'm going to delete that, and then we've got the other three below. Okay? Right. If we just turn around, often on the side here, we have transparencies. We have transparencies available here. We've got two boxes of them here, okay? We get a transparency, and that's the thing we're going to be printing on. What I will say with this, if you try and print on a transparency and it doesn't work, don't send it through again and try and it doesn't work. Don't send it through again and try it doesn't work. Don't send it through again and try it doesn't work. Because what happens is we have a backlog of all these files in the machine which are being sent through. And it's usually because you've selected the wrong tray. When I come to try and sort everything out, I then have to print all of that work out before I can then get on with whatever I want to do, okay? If it's not working, you don't know why, come and see me, come and see Mr. Conroy, come and see Mrs. Towers, okay? Right, multi-purpose tray. Multi-purpose tray is on the side here. All right, it's that easy. Can you see we've got this little holder here, and that holder presently is up. Can you see that? Oscar, can you go?
Yeah.
Okay. What we need to do is we need to put in the media, which, what I mean by the media, the material, and that is going to stay on there. Now, if we come up to the screen, it's gone from what was just the different files we can print to this, and it's saying, what do you want to do with that media? What we want to do with that media is tell the machine that it's a piece of plastic, okay? So it is a transparency. Once it knows this transparency, it's going to lower the temperature and the time it takes to print. Not significantly, but so the ink sets on it. Now I had a boy yesterday, Theo, tried to do this twice, didn't work either time, and I said the reason it doesn't work is because you haven't selected transparency on the machine. And that was exactly the problem. So make sure you change that. It's not something you can't do. Now the machine knows it is set up for a transparency. We go to first file and we print. It might take a little longer, it might need to cool down if it's already been printing. It's taking a little bit of time. It goes. Out it comes. And we can see it's come out. Can you see the density of the black is really good? It's really opaque. If it's a grey, it may be because you sent it through as one of those normal images. If it's got resistors on it, that's not right. This is a really lovely, clear image. So we'll take a pause there.